Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get Snapchat back after being banned. So if you banned by the Snapchat and you want to recover your account, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to uninstall the third party application that you are using for your Snapchat. If you are using, then first of all, delete the third party application. Then you have to open your browser and you have to search for the Snapchat Sport, and here you will see page like this. Here you will see my account is locked. Simply click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see different options. From here you have to select the unlock your account. Simply click on it. Once you will do it, here you have to enter the details of your account, like username or email, password. Then you have to fill up the form and communicate with the Snapchat team that your account is incidentally banned by Snapchat team. You did not done with any illegal. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.